Once you go to Vegas once, you'll be fine. Don't worry, you'll be with me in the jungle squad. It'll be okay. What could go wrong in Vegas? Now, if I do play blackjack and a little poker, then you'll really have a good time. Because we always have poker night in the suite, and Jake can take your money IRL. Oh, I need to get rum. And what's funner than Jake taking your money IRL? Just don't bring money you plan on bringing back. Just budget losing whatever. And the beautiful thing about Vegas is as soon as you get there, you get you an MGM rewards card. You put that thing in some slot machines. You spin the wheel a few times, and next time you go to Vegas, you get some free shit. And dress-wise, you can wear pretty much whatever you want. Some of the places we go do have a dress code.
Hey, I love you. Bye.
Oh, what the fuck was that? Ooh.
Don't shoot. I'm innocent.
Weapons ready!
That sounded like Jake.
Do you really have any hope of winning?
No! Fire!
No weak passing! Just a new ball!
Plunder thy booty.
Butterton, what the fuck is that? I've got Tangia, but it doesn't sound, my Tangia should sound like Jake.
We're going down.
So funny story, I broke my OBS the other day, right? And I had to reinstall everything, so I have no idea what's where anymore. What works, what doesn't work, where that might be coming from. If you're gifting me bits, thank you. If it's just some troll, that's the best troll shit ever. Got him.
It burns.
It has been a profitable day! Come on! Keep going!
No idea. Ain't even got a clue. That's Jake. That's definitely Jake. Honestly, don't want to know. I think it'll spoil the fun at this point in time. Hey, honey. I was just talking about coming in there to find out what's going on with dinner.
You better make sure there's some carrots in that dinner.
Or Butterton.
She's talking to me.
God, I wish I knew that was where I was coming from.
That was a funny thing, isn't it? Like an anchor.
See, the mirror mentioning that made my game crash.
Get DDoS, pussy.
This motherfucker here. Oh, I dream about Jake all the time.